Hello friends, in this video let us know about Kongu Express details. Kongu Express is a superfast express train that runs between Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu and Hazrat Nizamuddin in Delhi. This train was announced in 1999-2000 railway budget, but it was not introduced in that financial year. In the year 2000 and 2001 railway budget, Railway Minister announced that they are going to start a new express train from Hazrat Nizamuddin to Coimbatore, which was announced in the last year budget. Finally, this train made its inaugural run between Coimbatore and Hazrat Nizamuddin on April 3rd, 2000, and between Nizamuddin and Coimbatore on April 6th, 2000. This train was started as a weekly train. Since then, it is running as a weekly train. The route of this train has been changed from Jolarpet, Renigunta and Vijayawada to Bangalore and Kurnool within few days after inaugural. For many years, this train ran with train numbers 2647 between Coimbatore and Nizamuddin, 2648 between Nizamuddin and Coimbatore. In 2010, IR switched to 5-digit numbering system, so one got added before these train numbers. This train was named after Kongunadu region in Tamil Nadu. Kongunadu has a flourishing economy from ancient times. Coimbatore is the largest city in Kongu region. In between 2013 and 2016, route of this train has been changed again. The existing stops at Bangalore and Bangalore cantonment are removed and new stop provided at Yeshwantpur. In December 2018, these train coaches are upgraded as a Utkrisht coaches and it was the first Utkrisht coach train in Southern Railway Zone. Coming to the demands from passengers, increasing the frequency of this train from weekly to bi-weekly or tri-weekly or daily. Need a pantry car. This train is running without a pantry car for distance 2683 kilometers and there is a demand to extend this train from Coimbatore to Palakkad. Coming to the current details of this train, train number 12647, Coimbatore Hazrat Nizamuddin, Kongu Express. The departure time at Coimbatore is 2:55 p.m. on every Sunday and arrival time at Hazrat Nizamuddin is 2:15 p.m. on every Tuesday. In the return direction, the train number is 12648. Departure time at Hazrat Nizamuddin is morning 8:35 a.m. on every Wednesday and arrival time at Coimbatore is morning 9:15 a.m. on every Friday. The total distance traveled by this train is 2664 kilometers and the total travel time is 48 hours 40 minutes and the total stoppages are 27. The average speed of this train is 55 kilometers per hour. Coming to the coach details, this train is having total 24 coaches. Among them, 2 are SLR coaches, 1 high capacity parcel van, 3 general coaches, 4 3-tier AC coaches and 1 2-tier AC coach and 13 sleeper coaches. All these coaches are Utkrisht coaches and this train is having a rake sharing with Chennai Coimbatore weekly superfast express train. This train comes under Southern Railway Zone. Coming to the loco details, the path of this train is not completely electrified. So from Coimbatore to Kachiguda, this train will run with a diesel loco and from Kachiguda to Hazrat Nizamuddin, this train will run with electric locomotive. At Yeshwantpur Junction, this train is having loco reversal and at Kachiguda, this train is having loco change from electric to diesel, vice versa. This train is having onboard catering and e-catering services. Coming to the stops of this train, Hazrat Nizamuddin, Mathura, Raja Ki Mandi, Agra Cantonment, Gwalior, Jhansi, Bina, Bhopal, Itrasi, Bitul, Nagpur, Balarsha, Kachipet, Kachiguda, Mahabubnagar, Kurnool, Doon, Anantapur, Dharmabaram, Hindupur, Yeshwantpur, Banswadi, Hosur, Dharmapuri, Salem, Erode, Tirpur, Coimbatore North and Coimbatore Junction. Let us see the path of the train in map. This is the path of Kongu Express. This is Coimbatore railway station. It is a junction railway station present in Tamil Nadu state. This is Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station present in Delhi. This is Kongunadu region. present in Tamil Nadu state. Major part is present in Tamil Nadu, minor parts are present in Kerala and Karnataka region, and Coimbatore is the largest city in this region. Initially, this train used to run via Jolarpet, Renigunta and Vijayawada, and this is that old route, Renigunta, Vijayawada, and the latter this route was changed via Bangalore city. So this is the changed route. From Salem, this train used to go via Dharmapuri, Hosuru, Bangalore, next Anantapur, Kurnool and Secunderabad, and finally Hazrat Nizamuddin. In between 2013 and 2016, route of this train has been changed again. The existing stops at Bangalore are removed and the new stop was provided at Yashwantpur Junction. This is the Yashwantpur Junction. The Congo Express bypassed Bangalore Cantonment and Bangalore City railway stations. This train starts at Coimbatore. After Coimbatore, Coimbatore North Railway Station is present, but the stop at Coimbatore North Railway Station is present in only one direction from Hazrat Nizamuddin to Coimbatore. After Coimbatore, this train stops at Erode, Salem. After Salem, this train goes via Dharmapuri, Hosur. After Hosur, it goes to Banswadi. Next, Yashwantpur Junction. At Yashwantpur Junction, this train is having loco reversal. After Yashwantpur Junction, this train goes to Hindupur, which is in Andhra Pradesh. After Hindupur, Dharmavaram. Dharmavaram after it's Anantapur, Doan, Kurnool, Mahabub Nagar. This train is having stop at Mahabub Nagar, Kachiguda. At Kachiguda, this train is having loco change from electric to diesel, diesel to electric. From Coimbatore to Kachiguda, this train will run with diesel loco. From Kachiguda to Nizamuddin, this train will run with electric loco. After Kachiguda, this train stops at Kajipet, which is the last stop in Telangana. After Kajipet, this train stops at Balarsha, which is in Maharashtra. After Balarsha, this train stops at Nagpur Junction. After Nagpur Junction, Bitul. After Bitul, Itrasi Junction. After Itrasi, it stops at Bhopal Junction and Bina, Jhansi, Gwalior, and finally Hazrat Nizamuddin. These are the details of Kongu Superfast Express train.